J is for?
Joy to the world.
O is for? W is for?
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
I is for?
Ikaw ang star ng Pasko.
N is for?
Namasko ko.
Hoy, hindi pa Pasko!
Yeah!
J is for joy. O is for obedience. W is for winners. I for improvement. N is for nonchalant.
Naging dati siya sa aming mga youth. Ha? Tito ko siya. Isa siya sa mga naging best president dito sa Banna. Asawa ni Sister Nerissa.
Siya ang pinaka-the-best.
3M.
Ha? Anong 3M?
Mabait, matalino at masipag.
Caring. Friendly. He's very responsible.
Strong.
Hardworking.
Humble. Maunawain. Naging example siya sa aming mga youth.
5 plus 5.
10! 1 million out of 10! 10! 10! 10 over 10! 10 you!
Hoy, hoy, hoy! Ikaw ilan?
Yes! Yes! Of course, yes! Yes! Yes!
Yes!
Yes!
Yes!
Magdilig ng?
Halaman! Magpamerienda! Of course, magturo!
Hello, President. So, thank you for being kind sa mga members, lalo na sa pag-spoil sa mga youth. And salamat po sa lahat-lahat ng sacrifices mo pa sa amin. I am so thankful po na naging president ka ng Banna Branch. I was inspired by your leadership. Your dedication to the Lord and His church is a blessing to all of us. May you continue to feel the Lord's love and dedication. Mahal ka po namin.
President Joey Maximo, yung masasabi ko lang sa'yo is 100% yung leadership na ipinakita mo sa amin at yung pagmamahal mo sa branch na ito hindi malilimutan ng bawat miyembro dahil ito ay tatatak sa aming puso at isipan. At lahat ng ito is babaunin namin hanggang sa dulo dahil ikaw, President Joey Maximo, is part na ng history ng Banna Branch at ayun lang. Wala na akong masabi.
Maraming salamat, President, sa lahat ng...
Hi, President. First of all, I just want to thank you for your kindness, patience, and lalong-lalo sa aming mga youth. And I'm so thankful kasi isa ka sa dahilan kung bakit nagro-grow pa yung faith ko kay Heavenly Father. And thank you kasi simulang nung bata pa ina-approach mo na akong magsimba. And that's it. You're the best president ever.
Hello, President Joey Maximo. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much for your kindness. President Joey, you're one of the best president that I know. Through your examples, we see how to live with humility, kindness, and compassion. You inspire us to step out of our comfort zones and become active in church. Hindi namin malilimutan yung panglilibre niyo sa amin, paghahatid sa amin sa mga bahay namin pag nalalate kami galing missionary work, and sa pagpapatuloy niyo po sa amin sa inyong bahay. We truly appreciate that po.
Hello, President. I'm so happy dahil naging president ka sa Banna Branch, at I know nga mabuti kang tao, and salamat din, President, dahil nung nalilate kami nag-work is hinahatid mo kami, and mabait kang tao, President, and yan lang, bye!
Hi, President. I just wanted to say to you that you are the best president that I've ever seen. And thank you sa mga merienda na binibigay mo po sa aming mga youth. Yun lang. Bye!
Go! L-O-V-E L-O-V-E We love you and you love us.